Good morning, students. Today is Monday. Did you do Wednesday's homework? I asked you to study all the key words from the lesson. First one, Unit 1, I asked you to study the keywords which is on page number 100. Did you study the keywords? Here, did you get the book? 6th standard book, history. Still, if you didn't buy, try to buy the book. It will be useful for your online class. Just turn to page number 100, the first unit. The first unit, name of the lesson, Vedic culture in North India and megalithic culture in South India. This is the topic of the lesson. Now turn to page number 100. In 100, I asked you to study the keywords and write all the keywords. These are all the keywords which I asked you to study. Did you write it? Did you study? If you didn't study, try to study and write the keywords. Now come to page number 101, economic life. Economic life. Economic means, you have the meaning here. Economic means the system of production, distribution and consumption. You have a Tamil meaning also here. Economic, the system of production, distribution and consumption. You have the Tamil meaning. I have given the Tamil meaning. Write it down. It is, how was the economic life in the country, in their place. Economy in the Vedic period was sustained by a combination of pastoralism and agriculture. You know agriculture and you know pastoralism. Pastoralism means, pastoral means shepherd, one who looks after cattle and sheep. That is pastoralism. Agriculture means one who plant paddy and one who cultivate paddy. That is farmer. Agriculture, they do the work of agriculture. Farmers do the work of agriculture. Though occupation of Rigvedic Aryans was cattle rearing, there were carpenters, chariot makers, potters, smiths, weavers and leather workers. Apart from agriculture and pastoralism, there were other workers such as carpenters, chariot makers, potters, making pot, smiths, goldsmith, then weavers and leather workers. Ochre colored pottery was attributed to this period. Horses in their house, they look after horses, cows, goats, sheep, oxen and dogs were domesticated. In each house, they tamed horse, cows, goats, sheep, oxen and dogs. Where Aryans permanently settled in Sindh and Punjab regions, they began to practice agriculture. The staple crop was yava. Yava means barley. Their crop was barley. There is no mention of wheat or cotton in the Rigvedic period. They don't know what is cotton and also wheat. In Rigvedic period, cotton and wheat was unknown, though both were cultivated by the Indus people. Indus people cultivated both cotton and wheat, but Aryans don't know what is cotton and what is wheat. 2 crops a year was raised. They grew 2 crops. Once in a year, they planted 2 crops. That is Aryans. In the later Vedic period, the Aryans tamed elephant. They looked after elephant. Later Vedic Aryans looked after elephant apart from goat, sheep, cow and horse. Apart from cow, goat, sheep and horse, they also looked after elephants. They tamed elephants. Tamed means look after. In addition to craftsmen of early Vedic period, there were also jewelers, dyers and smelters. Pottery of this period, making pot. Pottery means making pot. Pottery of this period was painted grey ware culture. Next paragraph. Use of iron plough. Plough means we use this weapon in the field, in the farm, to plough the land. It is made of iron, and also axe. It is also made of iron. It is a weapon helped to put more areas of land under cultivation. If you use weapons made of iron, we can put more areas under cultivation. We can grow more paddy. Crops of wheat, rice, and barley were cultivated. Crops wheat, rice, and barley was cultivated. With the growth of agriculture, the idea of private possession of land came into existence. New crafts and arts developed, leading to surplus production of commodities for sale. Now, all came into existence, all came for sale. New crafts and art came to sale. Trade became extensive. Trade became extensive. Barter system was prevalent. Exchange of goods. We have to exchange good for goods, and no money was given for the product. Only goods were exchanged. That is barter system. They used Nishka, Satmana, that is gold coin. Satmana means gold coin, and Krishnala, that is silver coins for business transaction. They used gold coins and silver coins for business transaction. Metals known to Rig Vedic people. Gold was known, iron, copper, bronze. These was known to Rig Vedic people. Hiranya, gold is, they called gold as Hiranya, iron as Shyama, and copper or bronze as Ayas. Religion. Rig Vedic Aryans worship mostly the earthly and celestial gods like Prithvi, that is earth, Agni means fire. They worshipped all these: earth, fire, Vayu, wind, Varuna, rain, and Indra, thunder. Aryans people worshipped all these celestial gods, that is earthly gods. They were also There were also lesser female deities, female god, less female god they worship, like Aditi, god of eternity, and Usha, appearance of dawn. Usha is known for the appearance of dawn. They were female deities, female god. Their religion was yajna centered. The mode of prayer was recitation of Vedic rhymes. Recitation means Vedic hymns. People prayed for the welfare of praja, that is children, pasu, that is cattle, and dana, that is wealth. They prayed to God for children, cattle, and wealth. Cow was considered a sacred animal. Cow was the sacred animal. There were no temples. In this period, they had no temples. Idol worship, statue worship had not yet come into existence. No statue worship at this period, and no temple. Only cow was considered as a sacred animal, holy animal. Sacred means holy, holy animal. Later on, priesthood became a profession and a hereditary one. Hereditary means after father, son will become the priest in the temple. New gods were perhaps adopted from non-Aryans. Indra and Agni lost their importance. New god named from new Aryans. New god were perhaps adopted from non-Aryans. Indra and Agni were of no importance, lost their importance. They were not considered as the important god. Prajapati, the creator, Vishnu, the protector, creator and protector, and Rudra, the destroyer. Here, creator, protector, and destroyer became prominent, became famous. Sacrifice and rituals became more elaborate. Sacrifice and rituals became more existence. Then, education. This we can see in next class. Education we can see in next class. Here you have economic life. Just I went through economic life, then status of women. I went through status of women, economic life, religion. Read this and metals known by the Rigvedic people. Try to read this. Read the metals known by the Rigvedic people. And later on we see Gurukulam. Later on we can see Gurukulam for the next day. Read the previous page, page number 101. Read page number 101. Till 102 you have to read. Till this page you have to read and you try to understand. And also you can write the key words: carpenters, chariot makers, potters, smiths, weavers, and leather workers. Try to study the spelling for all these words. Agriculture, crop, barley, yava. Then cotton and wheat. There is no mention of cotton and wheat. They don't know about cotton and they don't know about wheat. Also study these words. Try to study the spellings. Jewelers, dyers, smelters, pottery. Try to study the spelling and try to know the metals: gold, iron, copper. Know the metals, study the metals. That's all for today. Then the god: earth, fire, thunder, rain. Study these god, names of gods. 5 earth, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 gods you have to study. Next we can see the next day. Thank you, students.